Hey everybody, my name's Ed Borowski, owner of SlipSki Boat Solutions. Out here today, beautiful sunshiny Lake Conroe, Texas. Gorgeous out here. December, and we're just loving this weather. We are lucky, yes. I want to introduce you to our custom-built 45-foot long, 15-foot wide, 10.5-foot wide boat slip cover. Made of all aluminum and stainless steel. Custom done right out here on the dock. And yes, we have two side by side. We offer enclosures. Both ends or just one end. Come along over here. Get a nicer shot, sunnier shot of how huge this thing is. And what's happening? What's going on? Oh, that's right. It's automated by itself. Push a button, open, push a button, close. So why don't you guys come see us January 3rd through January 10th at the Houston Boat Show. Come talk to us about your custom build or our other builds. But they're all made with the same quality. Thank you very much.